How to retrieve your purchase history on Temu app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can retrieve your purchase history on Temu app. For this, launch open the Temu app on your device. If you do not have this application, head over to Play Store for your Android device or App Store for your iPhone device. Now tap on the search bar. On the search bar, you want to search for Temu. Now, this is the application you want to download on your device. Go ahead and tap on the install button. After it has been downloaded, open it up. Now you want to make sure to sign into your account. So you want to enter your credentials and then log into your account. Now, if you want to retrieve your purchase history, the process is very simple. All you want to do is tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. Here, you will find different options. Go ahead and tap on your orders. Now you will find different tabs over here. The first one is all orders. All of your orders will appear on this tab. If you want to check out the order which is being processed, tap on the processing tab. If you want to see the orders which are shipped, you want to tap on the ship option. If you want to check out the products which are being delivered, tap on the delivered option. Now all of your purchase history will appear on the very first tab, which is all orders. From here, you will be able to view your order number and also your payment method along with other details. So if you want to view your purchase history, you will find all of them over here. And in this way, you can retrieve your purchase history on Temu app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.